Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Ooh, y'all. What a difference a day make, right? It's chilly, it's windy, mm, and it's not a good day to be outside in the garden. No, no. But I hope you all are having a beautiful, beautiful morning. No matter what, I'm grateful for it. Yeah. Yesterday was a very, very busy day for me, but I'm going to share some of it with you all. Yeah, guys, I'm going to share my yesterday with you all. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Good morning, everyone. So, on Thursday, my day began with me fertilizing and cleaning this little bed. Now, if you was with me on last season, then you know that I had a lot of tomatoes growing in this bed. Well, yeah, we're going to grow the big tomatoes in this bed. And, well, this is where some of them is going to go. I'm looking to grow at least four big tomatoes in this bed. Yeah. But today what I did was I put some Kellogg's in it and some Black Cow. This is what I am just getting it all incorporated here together. Yeah. But I was having a beautiful day, all in my thoughts, just doing my thing and visualizing the plants that will grow in this bed. And as you can see, I stopped working because one of the neighbors across the street uh, wanted to talk. I think it's because she has just been in the house and she just haven't had any human, any ties to a human for a while. So, she just wanted to talk. That's all. Just talk. And do I understand? I do. So I did stop and sat down and talked to her. She had on a mask. I went inside and put my mask on, but yeah, she just needed some just to be around people. That's what it is. She needed to be around people, and so I gave her some attention, and then I'm back at it. And hopefully, I was saying hopefully that no one disturbs me. But yeah, so now you can see the soil. Now I'm going deep here into the soil that was there. And it is beautiful soil. Absolutely, absolutely wonderful. It is so fluffy and separated. Yeah, and you're gonna see, I'm gonna step in it and you will see my feet just sink down into the soil. It's just absolutely wonderful stuff. It's beautiful stuff. So I am just so happy about this. So I put some granulated fertilizers in here. I put some blood meal, bone meal, that regular stuff, I did put some Epsom salt, some calcium nitrate in there. Yep, I most certainly did that. Yeah, so those are some of the things that I put in there, and just to make sure that the soil is nice and healthy and full of some great vitamins and nutrients for to feed these plants when I put them in there, right? So yesterday also I did drop some seeds and I put them in the little greenhouse. Now there's all of that fertilizer I was telling you about. So now I'm just watering all of those that granulated fertilizer in this soil here. Yeah. Yeah, but I dropped a lot of seeds yesterday of all the big tomatoes, and I did put them in the little greenhouse, and I kind of gave in, and I put them on top of a heating mat that I have. So I did put them on the heating mat, and so they're in there, and they got the lights on them, and yeah, it's nice and toasty in there. So hopefully they grow up nice and tall in there. Yeah. But I'm going to drop some peppers today while I'm inside all day. I'm just going to drop more peppers. And that's what I really want to do. So I'm just getting all this fertilizer in, getting the soil all moist. And you may think it's a lot of water, but, you know, that Kellogg's and peat moss, it really takes a lot of water to get that soil moist, and that's what I wanted to do. And as you can see by the raking, yep, the water went on through, and that's great because that's what I needed to do. And then, you know, after I do all this, I'm just going to let it sit until I am ready to drop my seeds in it. Yeah. I will not plant anything in here. So the only thing that's going to be in here is those tomato plants. Also, you can see on the end there is green onion. And I am definitely going to plant more green onions just around the base of this little box. Yep. And that's what I did to that bed on yesterday. It was a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful. I went to the park and I walked 2 miles just because, you know, it was a beautiful day. I really enjoyed it. But here's my Dollar Tree haul. Hey everybody, I'm trying to set up my my camera, my tripod in here so you all can see what I'm doing. I have just dropped many of my big tomato seeds. Let me take this earring off because I can hear it dangling. Yeah. I dropped many of my big tomato seeds like the Kentucky, all those big tomatoes, you know, big brandy ones and so on. But anyway, this is just a small haul that I did today from the Dollar Tree. So I purchased some more of these for me for my makeup, y'all. Yeah, that's my makeup. I purchased some of these little starter cups. I used 2 packs of these already today. Now, I saw these over here, and Jada was telling me that they're there. She was on the phone with me. She said, Mimi, please pick those up for me. Pick those up. So they are mini glass containers. They are mini little containers, and let's open one, guys. And she has her own little seed collection going on. How about that, y'all? And they are made of glass. They're glass. And they have the little top, and she is going to put her seeds in this little jar. They're really cute. I think they're really cute. And I purchased, I guess, about 5 packs. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. And then there's another kind over there. And I just wanted to get this one just in case, you know, she wanted more. She can see how this one is. And this is just one with a cork in it, right? This one have a cork. I'm trying to get this focus for you, yeah. And yeah, it's got the little cork. And so whatever one, you know, she think is good for her seeds, you know, I just want her to get into the habit of saving her seeds and preserving her seeds, right? And so this is really cool for her to do that. So she do have her mom have a computer where they print out a lot of stuff. So they could print out her little labels that she could put on the side of these little bottles. And she's also getting into crochet, and so I bought her 3 of these little crochet needles. Yeah, plastic crochet hooks. That's what they, and this one is aluminum. These are plastic. So I got those. And let's see. This is a, let's see, a metallic marker. That's what this is, a metallic marker. So I may use this too myself. Yeah. And I also, this is a crafter's kit. Yeah, we're gonna see what we do with that. And of course, I did purchase, I think, $2 worth of seeds. Nothing big. I got some bachelor buttons because I don't have a lot of blue flowers. I think I had some forget-me-nots and something else. I can't remember, but I did pick up some bachelor's buttons, some more lissome, and Chester. No, these are the African daisies. I purchased some snapdragons. Yeah, so I just purchased a couple seeds of flowers. I purchased this. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I got it. I purchased 3 bags of this, and I've used 2, so I will be using this one to drop some more of my seeds today. Of course, this is for me. It's a brown. It's a brown. And I purchased these. There is 3 of them, and it's metallic flagpoles. That's what they are. So really cool. So I have a lot of garden flags that I purchased a year ago, still in the pack, never opened them. So I'm gonna just try to get all that stuff and open them up and just have them together. Now I use these trays like this just to put under my pots when I'm putting them in a little greenhouse or anywhere around in the house. I will put this under it just to hold the water. And that is my Dollar Tree haul, y'all. That's what I did today. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope all is well with you all. Thank y'all so much for dropping by. Later, y'all.